Hello people, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna be recreating this look which is inspired by Hina Khan aka Komolika. This is the look which she wears in Kasauti Zindagi. This is basically her entry look, which is a very sultry smoky eye makeup look, and I really wanted to recreate this, so this is what I came up with. So if you want to know how I got this look, then keep on watching. So I'm gonna start off by prepping my skin and moisturizing it using my Neutrogena oil-free moisturizer, and then I'm gonna go ahead and prime it using my Oriflame face perfecting primer, as it gives me a dewy finish, and that's the look I want to go for. So I'm basically just dotting it on the areas where I want the shine to be. I'm not applying it on my whole face. So next up, I'm just going ahead with my Maybelline FitMe foundation in the shade 322 Warm Honey, and I'm just gonna dot it all over my face and then blend it out using my favorite beauty blender. Then to brighten my face up, I'm just going to use this Pond's BB cream, and I'm going to apply it in like a triangular shape. And then I'm just blending it out with the same blender. Next up, to contour my face, I'm using this Odbo contouring palette, and I'm going to use this brown color. Now she had a well contoured face and I applied way too much, but I tried and blended it out later. So I'm just going to warm up my face using that color and also contouring my nose. Then I'm gonna highlight my face using this highlight color from the same palette. Then I'm gonna pick up this light brown color from the same palette and I'm gonna fill into my brows. And then just to clean up my brows, I'm using the same BB cream. So basically I'm just applying below my eyebrows and above them, and then just blending it out. This way the eyebrow looks really nice and precise. And then using the same BB cream, I'm just gonna apply it as a concealer over my lid, just as a base. You can go ahead and use your own concealer, or even you can use your foundation, but this gives me a really nice finish and cancels out all the darkness on my eyes, so I'm just applying that. Then going ahead with my eye makeup, I'm just gonna take my Maybelline Colossal Kajal and I'm gonna line my eyes. You don't have to be like precise or anything, you just have to line it anyway, and because later we are gonna Then taking my Sivanna palette, I'm just gonna pick this black shade and I'm gonna top my kajal with the black shadow. Next up, I'm just gonna mix these two shades and I'm gonna put it above the black shadow and the kajal, and firstly I'm just gonna apply it and I'm gonna take it above into the crease, and taking the same color below on my lower lash line. So I'm going again with the Kajal and I'm tight lining my eyes just to make it more precise. Using the same Kajal, I'm lining my lower lash line and waterline. Once that is done, I'm gonna take the same shadow brush and I'm just gonna smudge out my Kajal. And then curling my lashes and applying generous coats of mascara. So for the lips, she had these warm toned nude lips, so I'm gonna try and make that color up. Firstly, I'm gonna apply this lip crayon by Swiss Beauty and I'm gonna top it off with a little bit of brown lip color. Both of these products will be listed in the description, so make sure to check it. So here's the final look, guys. Let me know in the comments below if you guys want me to create more such inspired makeup looks, and yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Till then, take care. Bye.